Hey, what's up everyone? It's my name Dan, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to how to grow hot chili peppers from seed, a step-by-step guide to sowing success. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Good soil for plants is soil that provides the necessary nutrients, water, and air that plants need to thrive. Here are some characteristics of good soil for plants. Nutrient-rich, good soil contains the necessary nutrients for plant growth, including nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and others. These nutrients can come from organic matter, such as compost, or from fertilizers. Well-draining, good soil allows water to drain through it easily, so that plant roots don't become waterlogged. This helps to prevent root rot and other problems. Moisture retaining, while good soil is well-draining, it also needs to be able to retain moisture. This means that it should be able to hold onto water long enough for plant roots to absorb it, but not so much that the soil becomes waterlogged. pH balanced. Different plants have different pH requirements, but in general, good soil should be slightly acidic, with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. This helps to ensure that the nutrients in the soil are available to the plants. Rice husk can be beneficial for plants in several ways. Here are a few. Improves soil aeration. Rice husk is lightweight and porous, allowing for increased air circulation in the soil. This can help to prevent soil compaction and promote healthy root growth. Enhances soil fertility. Rice husk contains silica, which is an essential nutrient for plants. It also breaks down slowly, providing a gradual release of nutrients that can improve soil fertility. Retains soil moisture. Rice husk can help to retain moisture in the soil, which can be especially beneficial in dry or arid climates. Helps to control soil temperature. Rice husk can act as a natural insulator, helping to regulate soil temperature and protect plants from extreme heat or cold. In summary, incorporating rice husk into soil can help to improve soil aeration, enhance soil fertility, retain soil moisture, and regulate soil temperature, all of which can benefit plant growth and health. Congratulations on sprouting your chili seeds. Here are some steps you can take to plant your sprouted chili seeds. Prepare a container. Choose a container that is at least 3 to 4 inches deep and has drainage holes. Fill it with a high-quality potting mix that is well-draining and nutrient-rich. Transplant your seedlings. Once your seeds have sprouted and have grown to about 2 to 3 inches in height, carefully transplant them into your prepared container. Be sure to handle the seedlings gently to avoid damaging the roots. Water your seedlings. Give your seedlings a good drink of water immediately after transplanting, and make sure the soil stays moist but not waterlogged. Provide the right conditions. Chili plants need warm temperatures and plenty of sunlight to grow well. Place your container in a warm, sunny spot, and consider supplementing with artificial grow lights if needed. Fertilize your plants. Once your seedlings have become established, you can start fertilizing them with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. Monitor for pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for any signs of pests or diseases, such as aphids or fungal growth, and take action quickly to prevent them from damaging your plants. With proper care and attention, your sprouted chili seeds should grow into healthy, productive plants that will provide you with a spicy and flavorful harvest. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative and entertaining. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time.